let's get the ball rolling, mastering English phrases. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the popular English phrase, set the ball rolling. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to expand your idiomatic vocabulary, understanding phrases like this is key to sounding like a native speaker. So, let's dive right in and get the ball rolling on today's lesson. The phrase, set the ball rolling, is used to indicate the start of an activity or process. Imagine pushing a ball so it starts to roll forward. This is exactly what the phrase figuratively represents. It's about taking an action that will get things moving, or initiate the beginning of something. This could be a project at work, a social event, or any situation where a start is needed to get things going. While the exact origin of set the ball rolling might be difficult to pinpoint, it's believed to stem from games or sports where a ball is physically set in motion to begin play. Over time, this literal action was adopted into everyday language to represent the start of various activities or processes in a metaphorical sense. Knowing the origin of idioms can help learners understand and remember them more easily. To fully grasp how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. To set the ball rolling for our meeting, I'd like everyone to introduce themselves. The mayor set the ball rolling on the new infrastructure project by signing the first contract. Let's set the ball rolling on planning the event by brainstorming some theme ideas. Using the phrase in various contexts like these will help you become more comfortable and natural in your English conversations. Understanding synonyms or similar phrases can expand your ability to express the same idea in different ways. Here are a few. Kick things off, get things started, initiate the process. These phrases can often be used interchangeably with set the ball rolling, depending on the context. And there you have it. You now know how to use the phrase set the ball rolling in English conversation. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a great way to make your English sound more fluent and natural. We hope this video has been helpful and set the ball rolling on your journey to mastering English phrases. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in the next video.